sphere of radius r and mass m is rolling without slipping as shown in the figure. Find Krish.
Yes, sir.
Okay. V naught omega naught given to us. Head in the state of rolling without slipping. So we are on the it went down.
Yeah.
Yeah. Hit it wall. Just a minute. It's fine now? Visible?
Yes,
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay. So there is a, let me adjust it just a minute there. So this is rolling without slipping. And there is an undulation in path. The path dips by some angle theta. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Path over here, this was a path, horizontal path. And after off tread by some distance, the path is to see a dip. So there is a dip and the dip is of certain angle theta. Find here?
Yes, sir.
Now what has Iodo asked? He seeks the maximum value of V naught for which sphere will not leave ground. Maximum value of V naught for which sphere will not leave ground. Is it okay? But firstly, let me ask you, is the sphere susceptible to leave ground? According to your perception, as per what you can comprehend, do you have any apprehension that yes, there can be an option, there can be a situation wherein sphere can leave ground? Is that there with you or not? Or is that I am forcing my thought to you?
No, sir. It is there. Possible.
It can, right? It is gullible.
Yes,
it is
sir.
correct. Can we say that the sphere is gullible?
Yes, sir.
It can leave.
Yes.
And that has got to me as an inhibition, as is found a dip. Was there no dip, I would have been happy in my skin saying it cannot leave. Correct? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Right, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
This dip comes with an inhibition, and that being yes, there is a possibility of it leaving the surface. So let us try to rule that out. That is what author has asked. What should be the maximum value of V naught for it to be ruled out? Clear, dear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Can we focus on the sphere when it is at the cliff, about to fall off the cliff? Look over here. When it is about to fall off the precipice, as we say, it is about to go off the precipice. What is it moving with? Omega naught. What it is traveling forward with? V naught. Fine. Now tell me, dear, according to you, how many forces are acting on the sphere? If I would have asked you for the white marker, positioning, then the answer will be contained by normal NMG. Please keep a note of it. This is very important because students are of the opinion friction keeps on acting. Friction ceases to act the moment body is in the state of pure roll. Is it okay, dear? The moment body has established, has attained pure rolling state, and the body is moving on horizontal ground, friction ceases to act. Mind you, what did I say? And the body is moving on horizontal ground. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Friction cannot be acted on it. Why is not friction to the body subjected to? If it is, will change V, will change omega. And then to maintain the juxtaposition of V is equal to omega R is an impossible ask. So we know on mathematical front, we know on experimental front as well. It will cease to act. Friction will cease to act. Correct, dear? I think I have made you write this.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now it is over here. As it is over here, now normal if you want to show in the direction as you did. mg if you want to show, I don't have any problem with mg either. Till this point, I don't have any problem. But I go slight further to this. Very slight. I'll just a notch. Just a notch further, you please do transcend. So when you go a shy more than what I have shown with yellow marking, you will find that normal will get tilted. Correct, dear?
Yes, sir.
Just a shy. Normal will get tilted. And as normal is getting tilted, this is the position that I'm showing now. I'll show by, if it's not visible, please let me know. If not visible, let me know. This is the positioning now. Is it visible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now the normal got tilted, correct? Yeah. This
Yes,
is
sir.
normal to us because normal will be, as you know, passing through center. So this is normal, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, and mg will also pass through center, so this is mg. The third mg. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I would ask you on friction. Will friction act or not? Now what you have to say on friction. And this I'll get from you. This I'll get from you by rephrasing my question. Let me ask you, will omega remain the same as per your interpretation, or it is to see an increment? What say you? Will omega remain same or will it change? Mind you, when I moved from white to yellow, omega was not to change, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
White
sir.
to yellow, omega was not changing, so was not V, correct or V
Yes,
not?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And omega not, they were unabated. What now? What will you say about V naught and what omega naught? Certainly you are to say both are ought to change. Jamie, are you in agreement?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Both omega and V naught, they are ought to change. There is no point they won't change. And with V, I'll come later what being associated. But with omega, certainly is associated torque.
Yes, sir.
And as far as positioning vis-a-vis center of mass is concerned, normal will still pass through and so will mg, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
About center of mass, they don't qualify change omega, correct? Can omega naught change be attributed to normal or torque due to normal about center of mass? No.
No.
Can it be attributed to torque due to mg about center of mass? No. Correct, yeah?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Why? Because they are passing through it. They are passing through it. They don't qualify registering a torque about that point. But if I am at this point, I find omega to change, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I will register omega being a change, whatever it may be. I'll come to increment, decrement, but you know it will increase yet. Let that be aside for now. And there is not where I am to venture. I am venturing on omega will change or not. And as per experience, if I am at the center, I'll find omega to change. Are you on same page? Yes or no, dear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So you are to ascribe this change to a force, right?
Yes,
Tell me
sir.
yes.
Yes, sir.
If I am to ascribe this change to a force, which is the only force to come to my rescue, in which force will I find a refuge? Tell me, dear. Which is the
Friction.
only
Friction.
force in which I can find refuge? Force
Sir,
of
friction.
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 Got it, dear? The only
Yes, sir.
force in which
You have
I
the
can
last part. There is some
will
background
be
noise.
force of friction. Then comes friction will act in which direction? That's a given. Friction acts tangential to surface. Correct, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Oh, yes.
Keep for yourself, class. Every minute detail, please do appreciate in which direction friction will act. It will be acting in the direction shown. Friction will be seen acting in this direction, right? Yeah.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Yeah. Yes, Krish.
There is friction. I cannot find the arrow.
And this is the one. Krish, is it visible?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
This one. Visible, Krish?
Yes, sir. Not one.
Okay. So this is the direction of friction perpendicular to normal, Krish, right here.
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, so friction will be tangential to surface and normal is perpendicular, so they ought to be at any point in time perpendicular to each other. This is how I have shown the direction of friction. Now let me shift my focus on how is center of mass moving. So if I join the dots, center of mass is to move in a circle. Can I say that center of mass is moving in a circle? Think about it, yeah. Can I or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
yeah.
Yes, sir.
Moving in a circle, this is the direction of friction. And which friction this? Fs. This is normal, this is mg, and center of mass is moving in a circle. Circle of what radius? Circle of radius r, correct?
Yes,
Center
sir.
Yes,
of
sir.
mass is moving in a circle of radius r. And mind you, the author also told you that there is no slipping, which is the reason I have marked this Fs. Clear, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Else, I have to check the language and accordingly change it to F. Author did say in Ayurveda, author has said that Fs is to act as there is no slipping. So slipping is rested, but leaving off the surface is very much on. It may leave the surface. Is it okay, dear? That brings us to another very important question which we take toward the fag end, that when can it leave without slipping, and is it possible for it to leave after slipping, right, dear? Think of
Yes,
how we
sir.
are joining the dots. Over here, that is not my concern. You know why? Author did absolve me of that concern by saying that there is no slipping, correct?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
But
yes,
this
sir.
should not be taken with that ease. You being physicist, this should not be taken with that ease. That should come to you. Is it possible that it may leave surface after slipping got established? Is it possible or not? So think about it till the time we take it in class. Is it possible for it to leave after slipping got established? Just food for thought, brood over it for a while. Fine, yeah? For now, we have absolved ourselves of that consideration. This is center of mass and is moving on a circle. Circle of what radius? Circle of radius r, right, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Okay. Now help me write two equations, which I have always vouched for. You know that by now must be known to all of you, correct? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what are they? Motion
One
with
cross
respect to
two
center
mass,
of
one
mass,
cross.
correct? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So normal and mg this way. So mg, what angle I have taken it being tilted by? Let us say theta. So this will be theta to us, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What do we write for center of mass? Mg cos theta minus normal is equal to m omega square r. Please do check.
Yeah,
Is
yes, sir.
M omega square r, right? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we have taken towards the center of the circular tract followed by center of mass, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Actually, I should show center of mass over here, isn't it? Because this is my center of mass positioning, correct? Yeah. Or we should take it this way, whichever. Fine, yeah. Okay.
Yes,
Path followed by center of mass. Fine, yeah.
Sir.
Right, yes.
Because if we will act at center of mass, will pass through center of mass. Fine, yeah. So I'm changing it. Is it okay?
yes, sir.
Okay. So MD, is it okay, Krish, Adesh, what I've done over here? Just the arc being displaced.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So mg cos theta minus normal is equal to m omega square r. And we wish normal doesn't take a value 0, correct?
Right,
Yeah,
yes,
yeah,
sir.
yes, sir.
Okay, so I'll come to that. Let me now be by you enlightened. Tell me Vedant. Vedant will tell me. Vedant, what is friction to produce is torque. Can you get me the torque equation? Can you quantize it? What torque is being produced by friction about center of mass? This is center of mass. Can we quantize it? Yes, yes, Vedant.
So it will be the moment of inertia multiplied by the angular momentum. Angular momentum. So
in terms of Fs, Fs and R. Fs and R. What will that be?
the torque equals to
Yeah. Torque is equal to force multiplied with distance.
Force.
Write that equation first. Yeah.
so Fs for torque equals to force Fs into perpendicular distance is R. So
Yeah, perpendicular distances are correct. Because we are at this point and we are looking at the line of action, perpendicular distances are. So
Yes,
Fs
sir.
into R, correct, Vedant?
yes, sir.
Okay. As you said, Fs into R will be equated to I naught into alpha. You are absolutely right on that. It will be equated to I
Yes.
naught into alpha. Whichever body it may be, we know I naught can anytime be replaced by mk square, correct?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay. Can I get third equation by Adesh? One more equation is what I seek, Adesh. Can I get it from you? Can I get it from your relation between acceleration and alpha? Can I get from you a relation between acceleration and alpha?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What will it be? Acceleration means I'm referring to this acceleration. Let me show it to you. I'm referring to this acceleration. Acceleration of center of mass. Correct, yeah? Right,
Yes,
yeah,
sir.
right, Ajay? Acceleration
Yes,
of
sir.
center of mass. And we know that there is no
Why
slipping
alpha?
about this point, correct? This point is
Yes.
ought to be for that moment at rest. Say me yes or no?
Sir, R alpha.
Yes. So as this point is at rest, we can assume that normal is rotating about this point. Can we?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Normal is rotating about this point. Can we assume or not? See,
Yes,
A
sir.
equal
Yes,
to
sir.
R alpha is easy to enunciate, but please try to relate with which equation is getting you to A equal to R alpha. That is important for us to analyze. And that equation is what I want to highlight over here. Just look for the motion of center of mass. Center of mass moved by what distance? It moved by the linear distance or arc, r theta. Can we say that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
At this point is at rest. And what makes me say so? Tell me, dear. What makes me say that this point is at rest? Anyone? Author told you there is no slipping, correct?
Oh, yeah. Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yeah.
Name this point, any one of you quickly. Can you name this point? Coming from
Here.
last two classes, can you name this point? Come on.
Instantaneous point of contact.
Yeah, that is point of contact. What else?
Station.
Instantaneous of rotation. Very good, Krish. Instantaneous center of rotation. Correct, yeah?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
About this point, the body is for that moment in pure rotation. Can we say that?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Let
sir.
me take very small distance because we are referring to a moment, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that moment angle that it traverses is d theta. Find here.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
dt by, if I write ds by dt, what do we get over here? R into d theta by dt, correct?
Yes,
Single
sir.
differentiation.
Yes.
Find here.
Yes, sir.
And then differentiating once more. D square s dt square is what to us? R d theta dt square. Getting it here?
Sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
What you are indicative of, Adesh? You are indicative of this relation, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Is equal to R alpha. We accept it. Is equal to R alpha. We got our equations now. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay. I'll use last two, second and third first. Tell me, Fs into R is equal to what to us? Let us give, what did I tell you? The body is sphere, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So a sphere will be
The
2 by
momentum.
5.
2 by 5.
5 mr square, correct? Into
Yes,
Yes,
alpha.
sir.
You get here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good enough. And I take one f off, r off. I get fs is equal to 2 by 5 into m.
And
R
alpha.
alpha is nothing but a.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So 1 second. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
so R alpha is nothing but a. We got from here fs is equal to 2 by 5 me, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. We want to know what should be the value of V naught, maximum value of V naught, for which normal shouldn't take a value 0, or if I am to re-articulate, should just take 0, correct?
Yes.
After
Yes,
you
sir.
say normal shouldn't take 0, so the maximum V naught for which normal is not taking 0, or if it's to rephrase, the minimum for which normal is just 0. Can I say that?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, they refer to the same value of V naught, right? Yeah.
Yes,
Right,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Refer
sir.
to the same value of V naught. So whichever cuts eyes with you, you can go ahead with it. Mg cos theta minus normal. I am saying that normal just takes a value 0. Find ya?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So can we mark normal to be 0 here and get another equation bereft of normal? Mg cos theta is equal to what to us? M omega square r. Correct?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is what we are getting. Mg cos theta is equal to m omega square r. We see for all the equations. Are they clear to all of you? Any confusion anywhere?
Could you just repeat that last step? Because
This one, dear, this one. I
Yes,
said
sir.
that either you say that V naught maximum for which normal is not 0, or V naught minimum for which normal is just 0. They are to relate to same V naught. Now what I am doing in this equation, Adesh, I am taking normal equal to 0. Fine.
yes, sir.
So normal is 0 will get me a relation between theta and omega.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
What
sir.
is theta to me? You can see from here, g cos theta is equal to omega square r, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
The
sir.
clarity being, I don't know omega, neither I do theta, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Omega is not known to me because omega is not equal to omega naught. Omega has got changed, correct? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So this is not the same omega naught. This is a different omega. I don't know omega, neither I do theta. Question is positioned on find the maximum value of V naught, or they can also ask you find the angle by which it will tilt. Whichever way you do. Find the angle by which it will tilt. You would have asked find the maximum value of V naught. Find here.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, how can I get another equation? Because I am in need of it. In want of other equation, I will not be able to solve it. There are two unknowns. So I require two equations, right, Krish?
Yes, sir.
So two unknown, two equations are required. Help me get the second equation. Any one of you. Any one of you can get it there. Think about it. Think about the translational motion equation. There is one more translational motion equation. Can you enlighten me on it? Can you
Can we use
enlighten me
conservation of
on
energy?
what will mg get you down the inclination? What will mg get you down the inclination? Tell me, dear.
So can we use conservation of energy?
Yeah, but I am to use it later, Krish. Very good, you pontificated it. But as I have told you and shown you the other day, I am showing you this day as well. And then we'll use conservation of energy. Fine, Krish?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Okay, so mg sin theta down the inclination, getting it?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
This is of the inclination, so minus of fs
Yes, sir.
Yes,
equal
sir.
to what to us? Mass into acceleration, right here.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
And fs you have written 2 by 5 ma, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
what do we get mg sin theta equated to? Mg sin theta is equal to ma plus 2 by 5 ma. Find ya.
Yes, sir.
How
Yes,
much
sir.
is
Yes,
that
sir.
to? 7 by 5 ma. Getting it?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Check. 7 by 5 ma. Agreed or not?
Yes.
Yeah.
Sir.
Yes, so
Yes,
7
sir.
by 5 into g sin
Okay.
theta.
So we get from here g sin theta is equal to 7 by 5. And a means which acceleration, dear? What is this a to us? You know that very well as well. This is the acceleration of center of mass, correct? Shall I show it
Sir.
over here?
Yes.
Somewhere. Okay.
RR.
Acceleration, correct? This is the
Yes, sir.
acceleration
Yes, sir.
of
Yes.
what? Center of mass, correct? Yeah. I write it for
Yes.
now.
Yes,
Wait,
sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now, there are two equations with me, and they are, I write them for you. G sin theta is equal to 7 by 5a.
Yes,
G
sir.
sin
Yes,
theta is equal to
Yes.
7 by 5a. And G
Yeah.
cos theta equal to omega square into r, right?
Sir.
G
Yes,
cos
sir.
Yes,
theta
sir.
is equal to omega square into r. Please don't
Yes,
read them
sir.
to be the same accelerations. That's the reason I made you aware of from where we are coming on A is equal to r alpha. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
This
Yes,
is
sir.
tangential, right? See for yourself. S is equal to r theta, ds squared, and A is equal to r alpha, correct?
Yes,
Which
sir.
Yes,
acceleration
sir.
is that of center of mass? This is which acceleration, dear? This is tangential acceleration. Can you
Tangential.
say?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Whereas omega square r, in which direction you have taken omega square r? That is to reveal. Now you know circular motion portion, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
You took
Yes,
in which
sir.
direction? You took in radial direction, isn't it, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Radial direction means which acceleration you are indicative of? The radial acceleration, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes,
Then you will
sir.
ask me how come to acceleration? Of course, whenever a particle is moving on circular track, it is odd to get to acceleration of which one can be occasionally zero, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Here we
Yes,
have
sir.
both the acceleration, they being this tangential and this radial. Find ya.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Getting it
sir.
or not? All of you, please tell me, dear.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, very good. If you have gotten, then we are to make some space now. Let me make some space. Okay. Now, as Krish was asking for energy equation, let me write that equation as well. mgr initial energy, right here.
Sir.
I'm first
Yes,
collating
sir.
all the
Yes, sir.
equations. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
mgr is the initial potential energy. If I take ground to be the zero of potential, agreed or not?
Yes, sir.
Agreed, sir.
And in one shot, can I write kinetic energy as half Ip into omega naught square?
Yes, sir.
One
No,
shot,
one.
half Ip. Where what is this point? P. Is it okay? Instantaneous center of rotation. Can you recollect? I told you energy can be written in one shot as half Ip into omega square, provided we are inside body or at instantaneous center of rotation. Correct, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So where are we writing from? Instantaneous center of rotation. Correct?
Yes,
So
sir.
we can write directly half Ip into omega square. Find yes, yes or no?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. Next, as it rotates by an angle theta, what is potential energy now? mgr cos theta, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
R projection of it, r cos theta, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And then plus of half IP again into omega square. Omega got changed, correct?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. What do we get then from here? mgr outside 1 minus cos theta, correct? Is equal to now what do we get from here?
Half IP. The half
Side.
IP common.
Okay, I'll take this way. 2 over here, fine. Multiplied with 2 plus of IP omega square. Find here, omega naught squared
Yes, sir.
is equal to IP omega square. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And how much will be IP? Tell me about IP as well. What will be IP?
Use parallax theorem.
IP. Use parallax theorem and get me IP. 2 by 5 MR square plus MR square, right? Yeah.
7 by
Yes,
2
5
by
sir.
5 MR square plus MR square. Parallel axis theorem, right?
sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir.
The
2
7
by
by
5
5
MR square plus MR square, how much?
The 7 by 5 mm.
Yes. So what do we get from here? mgr 1 minus cos theta plus 7 by 5 omega naught square. Please do check if I'm missing anywhere. Plus 7 by 5 omega naught square is how much to us? Is how much to us? Tell me, dear.
7 by 5 omega square.
7 by 5 omega square. Fine.
Yes, sir. Sir,
There, am
what
I clear on this? Do check.
is it? There'll be 7 by 5 mr square omega naught square and mr square omega square.
Which one, dear?
Because IP, no, sir. So it's 7 by 5.
Right? R
It's a
square,
MR.
right? R
The
square.
M,
Here also R square, correct?
sir, there'll be M also, no, sir.
M, okay, M I'll remove from it. Fine?
Oh, okay. Yes, sir.
Fine, dear, all of you, do check. Do we get
Yes,
this? Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
one.
Which is getting us a relation between omega and theta. Do check. Which is getting us relation between omega and theta, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay, good enough. Now, this we got by energy relation.
Yes,
We got
sir.
this by energy relation. And another relation is over here. The two we can use to get the value of omega naught, correct?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Getting it?
Yes,
Got
sir.
it.
As
Yes,
suggests that he will go with energy. I've accepted his suggestion and wrote an equation. This was already there with me. And this from where you got? By Newton's second law of motion, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
sir.
Which direction? Radial direction, correct? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
When
sir.
I'm using Newton's second law of motion, what did I do? I was at center of mass, correct? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good enough. So it was basically translational motion of center of mass, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is basically, as it is moving on circle, you will get it in circular form, but this is basically motion of center of mass, correct? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This and this will get me an answer, correct? See for yourself, yes or no? What do you want to know? What do you want to know? You want to know what will be the value of omega naught, correct?
Yes,
Omega-
sir.
Yes,
How
sir.
many unknowns? Tell me. You don't know theta and you don't know omega, correct? Omega
Yes.
naught is given to you, na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Theta is what you want to know. Theta, correct?
Yes, sir.
So unknown being omega and theta, correct?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Equation 1, 2. Can we solve it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, first you solve. First you solve. Get me the value. Find theta. Find. Get. Write down. As the body is as the body is not to leave the surface, we can solve this for V naught in bracket maximum, if theta is known, or case 2, theta if V naught is known. Am I clear? I am taking both in one shot. Am I clear, class?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Are you getting what I am trying to suggest? I have taken a of question as well. It can be articulated differently. And what that can be? V naught given to you, find theta for which it will leave. Am I clear?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay, so over here, what being given to you? Theta given to you, and we have to find V naught. That is what is Eurodov's language. Correct, yeah?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So theta if we treat to be given. So what are the unknowns? We don't know omega naught and we don't know omega, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
So,
sir.
theta given. Are you getting it? I am switching
Yes,
from
yes.
one to other. Please be careful.
Okay.
I am switching from one to other. Please be careful. What did I say now? Theta is given. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
if theta is given, then what is not given to you? Omega not given and omega not known. Correct?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
So there are two unknowns. What are they now? Omega and omega naught. Find here.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
And two equations. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
So can we solve for omega naught? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
we can.
Yes, sir.
Can I request any one of you to get Irodov to yourself?
Yes, sir.
Get Irodov yourself. Get this. Let us see Irodov. Let us read the end of this question. Let me tell you the question number. This is question with a figure. 1.67 is the figure and the question number is 1.264. In my
The
CBS
page number?
application, this one
The page number?
1.264. Can you see that?
The page number.
Page 53. .264 CBS publication.
Yes, sir. That one.
Got it?
Yes.
Got Krish?
1.26? Oh,
4.
oh, it's a different question in this one. It's different.
Yeah, that must be Arihan. No issue. There's a figure
No,
to
sir,
it.
I have
Figure.
Yeah.
This is the figure.
Question, page
Can you see the
53.
figure? This one. Can you?
So page number 53.
Ah,
Yeah, yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah.
okay. See, alpha is given to you, correct?
And yes, sir.
Alpha is 30, correct?
Yes, sir.
So alpha given to you, and what did they ask? Find the maximum value of V naught. Got it here?
Yes, sir. Oh, yes, sir. It's
Got it?
opposite. Yes, sir.
Not
Yes.
different. We took both. We took you as per your suit. You take it either way. Find here. It can
Yes.
also be coming to that question as well. That is from some other book, some other. It's not Krutov, it's some other book where the cylinder will be given to you and you have to find the angle. It featured in IIT. So that I'll come to. It can be either way asked. So please be open to both the ask. Theta given to you and then they are asking for V naught. Here theta is given to you, they are asking for V naught. It can be the other way around. Find here.
Yes, sir.
Which
Yes,
is
sir.
V naught given to you at what angle theta it will leave. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So tell me over here, can I solve and get the answer by these two equations, A and B? Tell me yes or no. Theta is 1 to you.
Yeah, yes, sir. We can solve.
Okay.
Yes.
Now, but with me the problem being that I don't want to use energy equation. Okay? I don't want to use energy equation, or if I'm using, then I have to prove that I'll get the same equation if I follow the other methodology.
So instead of energy, you
Which
can
is what
use
I have to
torque.
prove. Which is what I am to prove. Am I clear?
Yeah.
Yes,
So how
sir.
can I prove it? With the help of this equation. How can I prove it? How can I prove it? With the help of this equation. You'll ask me how is it possible for this equation to get you this result? The result which you are seeking vis-a-vis energy, how is that possible? It is very much possible. It is possible from this equation to get to energy relation. Tell me how will it be possible? Can you tell me what can A be changed to? What can A be changed to in terms of d square theta dt square? You know what is this A? Which A is this? Tangential or radial?
So this one is tangential.
This one is tangential. So what shall I write?
Oh, yes, sir. D square theta by dt.
R d square theta dt square, correct?
Yes, sir.
G sin theta is what to us? R, this one, correct, yeah? Check it out. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now 5 by 7 G sin theta is equal to what to us? D square theta by dt square. Agreed?
Yes, sir. So R into R. Sir, into R.
R into R. I'm removing this one. Agreed by R?
Yeah.
Is it okay?
Yes,
Now,
sir.
what was the method manipulation? Do you remember? Multiplying both the sides with 2d theta. Do you remember?
Yeah, yeah, yes, sir.
So 2d theta this side, 2d theta this side, correct?
Yes,
Yes,
And then
sir.
going for integration. Can you recollect here?
sir. Yes, sir.
Can you recollect or not? First you tell me, can you recollect or not?
Yeah.
What we did the other day. Yes, I'm not getting from Adesh, I'm not getting from Vedant. What, where? Where did you lose your voice, dear? Can you recollect what we did the other day?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What was it? Multiplying both the sides with 2d theta. And
2d
why we
theta.
did so? Why we did so? We wanted to get after integration d theta by dt whole square. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Wanted to get after integration d theta by dt whole square. Agreed or not, dear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now tell me, what do we get over here when you integrate? 10 by G by 7R. Fine.
Yes, sir.
10 G
Yes,
by
sir.
7R. Integration of sin theta minus of cos theta. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Get where? From 0 to theta.
Yeah, yes, sir.
From 0 to theta. Check dear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. And then you write the limit of omega as well. This is omega square, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now get where? Omega naught to omega, correct?
Yes, sir.
Do you get the same end result? Check. Check. 10. 5 multiplied. 10, correct?
Yeah, yes, sir.
7 down. 10 by 7, 10 by 7, correct?
Yeah,
Yes.
R also.
Yes,
included.
sir.
This R square. R will come down, correct?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
And when you put the limit, first, if you flip with a minus sign, you will get 1 minus cos theta, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And over here, what will you get? Omega square minus omega naught square, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
You get the same relation as that what fetch energy?
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no, dear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so it is up to your suitability which one you want to go ahead with. There are times when energy will be difficult for you to write, and that's the reason I am impressing on my point. That please be conversant with this change as well. Find ya.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
please write it down later after of the class. Try to recollect and reproduce it. Fine, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Anyway, my question stands solved. Fine, yeah?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So this was one question I wanted to take this day. The other question, very important this one, because this is to get you a formula. Very important question. Oh, by the way, I told you that I'll be using the other one. So first write the other one. There's a cylinder at the edge of a table. The question which featured in IIT. There is a cylinder at the edge of a table. Find angle by which cylinder rotates.
So is this the one which gives us a formula?
Find angle by which cylinder rotates without slipping before it leaves table shown. Before it leaves table shown. The lower one is the top view. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The top view. Find ya.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Front view, side view. Find ya.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay. So this is the cylinder taken, mass m, radius r, and this is its center of mass. Find ya.
So it's rolling without slipping, right?
Yes, I've said that there will be no slipping at the edge. It is to roll. Okay, here it is. Now it is at the edge, correct? Yeah, edge of the table. Now what will happen? It will roll. Fine?
Yes.
It will roll but will not slip. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So it rolls and it leaves the table. It leaves the table without slipping on it. Fine?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, again, there can be two cases. Leave the table after slipping got established. Leave the table before
Yes,
slipping
sir.
got established. Correct, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
We are dealing with second case. Leaving the table before slipping got established. Fine?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir.
I wish you get me energy equation. MGR initial.
Yeah.
MGR, find ya.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Initial kinetic energy 0. It was not rolling. Fine. It was at rest. Fine, Trish.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
kinetic energy 0. Now it rolls. Initially normal was this way. Now let us say it has got disorientation. Correct, yeah? So disorientation means
Yes.
normal this way, correct? And normal
sir.
got shifted by what angle? By angle theta. Find yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is now the potential energy? mgr cos theta. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And what will be kinetic in one stroke? Get me in one
IP.
stroke.
The half
Yes.
IP omega.
Yes, half IP omega square. Absolutely correct. Okay? And if it is
Yes,
a solid cylinder, then IP will be mr square by 2 plus mr square. Yesterday we have studied, correct?
yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so mr square by 2 for cylinder, and then parallel axis theorem users will get us mr square by 2 plus mr square. Fine?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
One equation you got from here. Let me write it down for you. GR is out. 1 minus cos theta. This is what to get you. Half IP, how much dear? mr square plus mr square, 3 by 2, correct?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. 3
Yes,
by
sir.
2.
By 2 mr square, r square we are left with. M cancelled, omega square. One equation, fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
sir. Yes.
Second equation, of course, from motion of center of mass, correct, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That be mg cos theta minus normal is equal to m omega square r. Correct me if I'm wrong. Is it okay with all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And what we have to do? Just place normal 0. Fine.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Get me the angle. Quickly get me the angle. Get me cos theta. Get me cos theta from here. By what angle it will tilt before it leaves the table? By what angle it will tilt before it dissociates from table?
So is it 4/7 cos theta?
4/7.
Yes, sir.
Can be, I have slightly missed on this answer. 3/4 is it not 3/4? Check once. Can be 4/7. I'm not. Just check. Is it not 3/4?
Sir, it cannot be 3/4, no, sir.
Can it be for hollow cylinder 3/4?
For hollow cylinder, it's mr square, no, sir.
Yeah.
R square by
Once.
R square plus mr square 2mr square.
yes. So 1 second. Yeah, yes, sir. Mostly yes.
That is 3/4 for hollow cylinder, correct?
So 1 second. I'll just check
I'll
it.
just check this.
No, sir.
No. How much is for hollow cylinder?
So 1 second. I just got confused and 1 second.
Anyway, can we 4/7? No issue. I don't have any issue with the answer. It can be 4/7. You can verify this question has featured in IIT. Okay. Just
Yes.
I was some. I was not much convinced because it was not ringing, so I did ask. You cross verify. Is it 4/7?
So for hollow
What
cylinder, it's 2/3.
is cos theta from here? Get me cos theta. Come on.
I am getting 3/7.
3/7.
Something must be wrong with calculation.
No, 3/7 is not ringing at all. 4/7 can be a case. Check once. Check your calculation, Adesh.
So for hollow cylinder, it's 2/3.
2/3. Okay. And 4/7 can be the answer. Just I want an endorsement on 4/7. Any one of you?
Yes, sir. It must be 4/7 only.
4/7, right? Fine. Then
Yes,
cos
sir.
theta is equal to 4/7. That means theta is equal to cos inverse 4/7 is the angle at which solid cylinder is to tilt before it leaves the edge of table. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good
Yes,
enough.
sir.
Now the question which I was indicated. So I just wanted to make you understand that it can be placed either ways. Find here. V not known, then the angle. Here V not was known. What was it? 0, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And then the angle. In the other case, angle was known, then V naught. Fine?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Now the question. Write down. A rod of mass m length L.
Is this the derivation question?
The derivation which is to get your formula. It's question only, it's not derivation, but this is to get your formula. So it's important to you. You can use this formula directly in your objective questions. Right here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, write down. Given a rod of mass m length L. Given a rod of mass m length L. Find the reaction force. Find the reaction force when rod tilts by an angle. When rod tilts by an angle theta. When rod tilts by an angle theta. So this is the horizontal ground glass, and this is the rod. Rod has already tilted by angle theta. Let me show you the initial position of rod. This was the initial position, and it's being said that there is enough friction to arrest slipping here. Is it okay, dear?
Yes.
It's
Okay,
not
yes.
tilted there. It's not hinged here. Find here. It is not that it is hinged. Are you getting it?
Sir.
But there is
Okay,
enough
yes.
friction to arrest slipping. Am I clear to all of you?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
There is enough friction to arrest slipping. It will rotate about this point in a way, and then when it is tilted by an angle theta, what will you say is the force of friction acting at point of contact, you say, or if it is hinge, then you say reaction. See, it is up to you. If it is hinge, you call it reaction force. If it is not hinge, then you call it force of friction. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
The friction can be positioned with hinging, and when it is hinged, then you don't go off your hinges. Then you have to say reaction. Otherwise, you have to say force of friction. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So if we are to say force of friction, you need to first associate direction of friction, and I'm marking it this way. This is Fs to me. Can you get me a rebuke on this? Can you advocate the other side of what I have marked? Why will Fs be in this direction? It should be in the other direction, which I will counter. Or you
Boss,
are convinced it will be only this direction.
it should be in this direction.
Okay, why so, dear?
So because when the rod is slipping, it tries to move backwards. So the relative
Yeah,
action
very good.
is back.
Absolutely correct. It'll try to move backwards, and as it is try to move backwards, what we'll get to see, there will be an acceleration of this point in the backward direction, relative acceleration, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
the friction should act in the forward direction. So we have shown, and why Fs?
Yes, sir.
Why Fs? Why not Fk?
So because this is
Slowly for slipping.
so because the rod isn't moving, isn't accelerating backward.
Rubbing. It is not rubbing the surface, correct?
Yes, sir.
Isn't it? It's being told that there is enough friction to arrest slipping, right there?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Which force of friction will act? Static. Now look very carefully. Center of mass moves in a circle of radius, whatever length being given to you. Let us take length as L. So center of mass moves in a circle of radius L by 2. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Now, two equations. First, center of mass movement equation. Normal acts in which direction known to you. Mg will act in which direction known to you. Known to all of you. Akshay.
Yes, sir.
No,
Known.
yes, sir.
Can you write energy equation? Help me someone write energy equation. This is the third time in the day. Help me write energy equation. Initial energy.
Sir,
I
is
think
MGL. No, wait.
So
Okay.
this is
MGL.
my of potential energy. Now tell me.
Okay.
Sir,
MGL.
MGL.
MgL by 2, not LDR, MgL by 2, center of mass, right, Krish?
Oh,
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, and kinetic how much? 0, correct?
0. Yes, sir.
Very good. Next, potential how much? At this angle?
MGL by 2 cos
Uh,
theta.
So MGL by 2 cos
by 2
theta.
cos theta, fine. And it is rotating about this point. Can I write half IP about this point into omega square?
Yes, sir.
yes, sir.
In one shot, I told you either inside of the body or ICR, correct, dear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is ICR here? This one, this is the ICR, correct,
Yeah.
dear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ICR, this is the center of axis of rotation, correct, dear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we can write it as half. And what is IP for rod? Tell me. About an axis passing through one of its end. Yesterday we did execute.
So ML square by 3.
Yes, ml square by 3, right? Good with us. Ml square by 3 into omega square, correct? Now there is omega, fine?
Yes, sir.
Here omega was 0. Find here.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good enough. So we get one equation. Fine. One equation we got, which is to relate, of course, omega with theta. I'll come to that. Now tell me, what about translational equation on this acts Fs?
Yes, sir.
At center of mass or on center of mass will act one force Fs, the other normal, and third mg, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Remember
sir.
what did I tell you? For center of mass motion, what we assume is the set of forces to pass through center of mass, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fs will get us now. How many accelerations? Now I am to mark very important aspect of center of mass is motion. See and appreciate it, please. AT and AR. Why so? Why so? Center of mass is moving on circular track, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It will have to its merit both AT and AR, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, and how many forces you know? Normal, mg and fs, correct? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So normal will act this way. I'm just showing. Normal will act this way. Mg will act this way, correct? And fs
Yes,
is
sir.
correct. Correct.
Yes, sir.
sir.
Direct equation for them. Fs is equal to, that is the only force in the horizontal direction, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
Yes, sir.
equal to what to us? Mass into acceleration. Now, if this is theta, this will be theta, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
And what will be theta then? How much will this be? Tell me.
That,
This is theta, this 90 minus theta, so this will be theta. Agreement?
Yes,
my
sir.
yes,
Check
sir. 90 minus.
Check it. Fine.
This
Yes.
will be
Yes,
19.
sir.
Theta, they perpendicular. 90 minus theta, they perpendicular theta, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Krish, you were saying something.
Yes, sir. Same thing. It's 90 minus theta.
Okay, so 80 cos theta, 80 cos theta minus AR sin theta. Please do check and
Yes, sir. One
subscribe.
second.
Are you? See, 80 will have a component in this direction, which will be supportive of Fs, correct?
Yes, sir.
And also, you will have to break into component. One is this one, the other downwards, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is theta, this will be 90 minus theta, fine.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So what do we get from there? Check it out there. AR is this, please be very careful there. AR will be radial. Shall I show you this way? This is AR, right? So you know, right there.
Yes, sir.
This is AR. And you want component in the horizontal direction. Why? It should be conducive to Fs line of action, correct?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
So,
sir.
got it as 80 cos theta positive and AR sin theta negative. Please do relate to it. This equation, am I to see this through all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sure, Adesh?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Vedant?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now help me with the other equation, perpendicular. Tell me the perpendicular one, dear. What is it? Mg minus normal, correct?
Yes, sir.
What will be this equated to? Mass into, tell me. 80 sin theta.
Yeah.
80 sin theta, right here.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Plus
sir.
AR cos theta.
What else?
AR cos theta.
Plus air cos theta.
Minus.
Plus, sir.
Very good. Plus AR cos theta. Plus
Yes, sir.
AR cos theta. Take note of these three equations, class. Please take note of these equations. Anyone having any issue, any hitch, feel free ask. This is a very important question.
So clear. Clear.
Yes, dear, all clear?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Now help me write 80 as we did the other time. S is equal to L by 2 into theta. ds by dt is equal to L by 2 into d theta by dt. Are you relating to this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So double differentiation 80 is equal to L by 2 into alpha, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
80 and AR is of course omega square into L by 2. Fine? Check it here, check
Yes,
it.
sir.
Yesterday's concept, radial acceleration omega square R. Fine?
Yes, sir.
And 80 we got. Fine, good enough. Now write. From the above or previous three equations, we get Fs for any angle theta as. We get Fs for any angle theta as. Now, how will I get Fs, dear? Look at this equation, all of you. What I don't know in this? I don't know in this AT and AR, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If they will ask for particular theta, they will get you that theta, right, dear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So theta is known to you, fine?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
But
sir.
you don't
Yes,
know
sir.
what is AT and what is AR. This you don't know, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
But
sir.
I'll say AR you know. But I'll say AR you know. How? Look at this. Equation will get you omega square, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
And
sir.
if you know omega square, you know AR, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Are you getting it? Please try to understand the chronology class. AT-AR are the chinks in the armor, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Then AR. Do we know AR? Yes, we know AR. Why? Because AR is omega square L by 2. But we don't know omega. Yes, we do know omega in terms of theta. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So can I say we know AR?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Now the actually he'll being 80, correct?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
Yes, sir.
Correct. No, 80,
Yes,
correct?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes,
You will say 80 we don't know because 80 is L by 2 into alpha, that you will say. Correct, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'll say yes. You don't know
Yes,
80
sir.
for now, but you can find 80 easily. You'll ask me how? I'll ask you what is torque about this point. You will say torque about this point. Normal cannot produce, only mg will produce. And how much will it be? Mg L by 2, agreed?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
L
sir.
by 2 cos.
Yes,
L by
sir.
2 not cos theta sin theta. Check it. L by 2 perpendicular distance, huh? mg is
Yeah,
there.
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So mg L by 2
Sin
sin
theta.
theta, right?
Yes, sir.
And this torque will be equal to I naught ml square by 3 into alpha, correct?
Yes, sir.
Correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Do we know alpha from here?
Yes, sir.
If
Yes,
we
sir.
know alpha, do we know 80?
Yes, sir.
sir.
So do we know in this equation both 80 and AR in terms of theta?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, we know Fs in terms of theta, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So we can find Fs for any angle theta. Clear, dear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Find Fs for any angle theta. Write it down there. This is very important concept. Please ask me anything which didn't cut ice. Please do feel free to ask. This equation gets you AR. Can I say? Can I
Yes,
say
yes,
inactive
sir.
Texas AR?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Texas 80, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Therefore, we get FS. Not only FS, we also get normal.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Right,
Yeah.
Clear?
Yes, sir.
We also get normal, right?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes,
why
sir.
is normal important? I told you you can get question in the form of hinge as well. They can tell you it is hinged, correct?
Yes, sir.
sir.
And if it is hinged, then friction will be only one reaction. The other reaction will be normal. Normal will be marked as Ry. Is it okay? Because when it is hinged, you will study normal as reaction. Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So normal over here is doing a reaction force. Am I clear, class?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So in the pursuit of solving this question vis-a-vis friction, we have solved the question on reaction as well. What are Fs and normal? They are Rx and Ry respectively, correct?
Yes, sir. So for hinge, what will they ask us?
For any angle theta, am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So
Okay.
one small question. So if they ask instead of so if they ask a hinge, so what should we mark as Rx or Ry?
Rx are, they will ask for both here. They will ask for both. They will ask for
Yes.
both. Hinge will be getting R vector. Hinge will
Okay.
get you R vector. So when you're getting R vector, it is imperative on us to present it in all the form or rectangular components. So Rx and Ry both you will have to answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Let me ask you one question on this. Find Rx and Ry right now. Find Rx and Ry. Find Rx and Ry for theta equal to 90 degree. Do the needful. Find Rx and Ry when the rod has rotated by 90 degree. Tell me, dear. Tell me, any one of you. When the rod has rotated by 90 degree, I made it very simple now. The rod got rotated by 90 degree. I want Rx and Ry. Come on, quickly. 90 degree, theta 90 degree. Just put theta equal to 90 degree. Correct, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Find Rx and Ry when theta equal to 90 degree. Find Rx, Ry. By that I mean find Fs and normal when theta equal to 90 degree.
The Fx equal to minus 3 mg by 2.
Is minus 3 mg by 2.
Fs, sir. Fs.
Okay. Why? Or normal?
The normal
Yes, sir, that's correct.
I
I think.
How much is normal? Get me know on normal.
Yes, sir.
G minus.
time is how much?
1 second.
Adesh, you said something normal.
No, sir.
Sir, I'm getting mg by 4 as normal.
mg by 4 as normal. Okay. Yeah, Adesh, what is your take?
I'm
Vedant, how much are you getting?
getting 80.
Krish has got the 2. One is how much did you say, Krish? Minus of?
3 mg by 2.
Yeah, sir, that I got.
Yeah.
Yes, dear. Your answers. Where
Yes,
are the
sir.
other? Tell me.
G by 4. G by
mg by 4. What is mg by 4?
So normal.
so Fy. Sorry,
Okay.
Ry. Reaction in Ry.
Okay, and the other one?
3 mg by 2.
So minus 3 mg by 2.
Correct. 3 mg by 2 and mg by 4. Correct, yeah?
Yes. Sir.
Actually, not 3 mg by 2 minus of 3 mg
So
by 2.
minus,
Correct?
yes, sir. So minus mg. Yeah.
Minus of 3 mg by 2 and mg by 4. Correct, yeah?
Right. Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So this was one of the question which I wanted to take. Very important question. What's the time?
So 12:45.
12:45.
12:45. Okay. So I'm to keep this. I'm keeping the class contained to 1 hour 30 minutes today. Fine, yeah. I have to
Yes,
take
sir.
another
Yes.
class with Pratyush. Okay.
Yes.
So
Will
is
we
there
have-
a class in the evening?
Evening. Are you free or occupied?
So I have Alan today.
Okay. From 5
Yes, sir. From 5.
till 5 you will be available, right?
So, no, till 3 because my mother has her class.
Okay, till 3 will be available. If so false, I'll let you know. Though chances are not very bright, it is weak.
Yes.
I'll let
For
you know.
12?
Right?
For 12?
Yes. Sir.
12th, you can have one today, Krish. I'm not sure, but let me see if I can position one.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you, dear. Thank you, all of you.
Thank you, sir.